Greetings, kitty cats. Uncle Fonzo back. We're going to continue with this Angular review with using RxJS map operators. Our guy Santosh is going to break it down for us over here on this free code camp video. Yeah, I'll be your host and your guy of Angular review here. Hour 15 of 17. Let's get into it. Let's begin. Also, let's maybe move me up here. There we go. That's a little bit better. All right, Santosh, take it away, buddy.
We'll discuss about few map operators which exist in RxJS, and we'll try to understand each one of them because it's really useful in case you are working with RxJS in some big project. So let's go ahead and do that. The thing is, now we need to connect to a real-time API, and what we will do is we will use the JSON placeholder API which we used in past, because we want to post this data, and in JSON placeholder actually you can post anything you like. So let's not JSON view, JSON placeholder, and we'll use post API, and let's see, so we can call /post, and that's it. So
wait, hang on, that's it. We'll just use post API. Hang on, buddy, what are we doing? JSON placeholder. Okay, so you've got JSON placeholder. Hang on here, let me get that going over in the other JSON placeholder. Okay, so here's JSON placeholder. Got that rolling over here on the secondary screen. Ta-da! JSON placeholder.typecode.com. Let's see where he goes with this.
we'll use post API, and let's see, so we can call /post, and that's it. So here let's go ahead and create a booking service first.
So step 1, creating a booking service. All right, where are you at? Hotel inventory, blah 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 blah. So we're over in booking. Okay, DTO, got a DTO folder in here. What was that for? All right, where do we go? Am I in the right spot? Looks like I'm in the right spot. Container, email validator, employee, booking. I also have this DTO folder in here. All right, anyway, let's keep it going.
Moments later.
Let's get back to it. All right, Santosh, what you got going on?
I'm going to say RxJS and booking service.
Okay, booking service. Okay, we don't have this already, right? No, we don't. Okay, all right, so that's a new thing. Okay, generate service. Oh God, I cannot tell you how much I appreciate using generators, the proper framework. Oh, okay. There we go. Great groovy. So that's wait, bring that back because we got to go grab that guy. Here we go.
And we'll use RxJS service, and we also need to register
Wait, go back.
RxJS service.
Okay, so we're just putting private in there for no reason. Or what does that do for me?
And we also need to register HTTP
Booking.module. Where is booking.module?
module. So let's do that. HTTP client module. And let's save this. And here we will use
We'll go back to this guy.
the HTTP service, HTTP client.
HTTP client. Oh, boy, the thought that just came into my mind.
And we will say book room, which has booking data. So right now I don't we will not create the interface, so let's do it as any, which we should not, but yeah, I mean this is anyways dummy APIs, right? So we can say this dot http dot post, and we will replace this with placeholder, JSON placeholder.
Shut up. Stop talking. Okay. I have this habit of hitting the spacebar to pause the video, but I forget which dang thing is highlighted at the time, right? Like, anyway. Booking, okay. Booking any, right. This dot b dot post, right, post, Alright, so now we're hitting localhost. Wait, localhost 3000? Wait, you mean localhost 4200? Or are we talking about the back end? Where's the back end? There's the back end. Localhost. What's the localhost running? What's the back end running? Is that 3000? What is that running on, man? I don't remember. Okay. Alright, let's put that back on this one. Okay, what are you talking? Okay.
Slash
Wait.
posts.
Never mind. None of the above. It was where this was. Slash post. Here, copy that. No, why am I doing? Stop. Oh God. Okay, nope. Slash post. You can't see that. Both. Over here, grabbing this. Copy. Now let's go put that in the file. Yes, paste. There we go.
And we'll pass the
Post plural. Yes.
Moments later.
Booking. All right. I'm sorry. I'm all in my head about something else I got to deal with. in the next few weeks. Okay, so what else we
Pass
got?
this booking data here, and let's remove the subscribe, and let's return whatever we get.
Return this dot da, 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 ba, 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 ba. Okay.
And next we will inject this particular method. Is this component? Yeah.
All right, so who are we in now? We are back at booking component. Now we're in the, oh wait, I'm sorry, that's, no, booking components TS. We are in here. Constructor, line 23. All right, yeah.
So it's a private room booking service, or just call it as booking service.
Okay. Okay. Private booking service. Booking service. Booking service. Okay. What?
And we will do it here. So inside this dot booking service dot book room, and we'll subscribe to the changes. So let's say this is
Okay. Let's see. Add booking, this booking, blah 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 blah. Add booking. This. Booking. This booking. Okay, so this booking service dot book room. This booking value. This booking value. This booking value, book room, this booking value, get that dot right. We can right there and see our data.
this is data, and we will listen, and we'll remove this set reset as of now because we want to
Reset. We removed it. Didn't we just put the reset in here like a little while? I guess so.
see different scenarios.
Okay, so we're going to see different scenarios. Okay, Mr. Reset. Okay.
So this is one place, and this is on submit, right? So I'll just do console.log data.
Okay, console.log data. Data. Okay. So log data.
Which will be used.
That was that, right? Oops, not forward, backwards. Yeah, okay.
Which we'll be using in some time, but let's go ahead and
Oh, what was that? Was he just formatted document? Okay, I think so.
complete this.
Wait, what are we doing now? Dude, say what the heck you're doing. Oh my god. Okay. Book service, why are we just put this here? Why are we commenting this out? Why are we removing this? This turns everything into nothing.
Read this right now. And
what the hell?
so to see the example of how this map operator works, different map operator works, we will be calling our submit method here. Let's see. So I'll say this dot config our booking service dot bookroom, and we'll pass the data here. So you can see actually what we are doing is we are subscribing.
Can I see what we're doing? I don't know. Okay. So, following along here, him just doing stuff without explaining what he's doing. At least I didn't catch the explanation. We put that. Why did we do this? Okay. 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 Sorry, I was in my head there for a moment. 75. Okay, wait. What? Add booking. No, above add booking. So we're looking at this. And then we're whacking this. Okay, that tracks, because that was nothing. But just some sort of placeholder thing. Booking service. Alright. Bookroom. Bookroom data. Bookroom data. Subscribing to data. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Alright.
Okay, so what we are doing here is we are subscribing the bookroom method within subscription, which is not a good practice, but we want to actually see the different behavior which we have while using the map operator. So this is not the way we are going to use it. So how we are supposed to do that? So here, let's rewrite this, and we will be using it, doing it via the map operators. So we can do this dot booking form dot value changes dot pipe and we will be using the different map operators. So let's start with merge map. And in merge map, we'll say, okay, this is data, and then we will be.
Okay, so why are you doing this right now? Are you trying to set an example to just kind of show me what's going on with that? Oh, what the hell? Didn't need to complete all that. It's dot value. No, I don't want to subscribe. I want dot pipe. Forgot about dot pipe. Let's see. Whoo! Absolute idiot. Okay. Wait, I'm not looking at the right. Okay. Value changes dot pipe. Merge map. Data. This booking form value service booking. Okay, wait, okay. Booking form. Wait, booking form. Oh my god, the autocomplete thing is irritating as AF. Service dot. These things really should be just turned off most of the time. It's not helpful. It's just distracting. Okay.
Calling this dot book room. Let's comment this out and let's see the behavior right now.
Okay, why? Okay,
let's remove this
we're
and
guessing.
let's
We're
go
live
to
coding.
the
We
network
don't
tab
know.
because it will give us clear idea how the
We haven't
map
done it
operator
yet, so we can't clearly explain it
So
just
remember
yet.
we
So
have
hang on. I'm talking over him. Let me go back.
We'll say, okay, this is data, and then we will be calling this dot book room. Let's comment this out and let's see the behavior right now. And let's comment, let's remove this and
Wait, where are you at? Booking? Okay. Alright, let me switch this over. Let's take a look at where we're looking at inspections of stuff. Console, we're in console, we're in console now. No messages, I got plenty of messages. Here, clear this. Now, what am I not seeing? These little drop down thingies. There we go. Now we got them on. Okay. So, oh, excuse me. So, what are we selecting here?
and let's go to the network tab because it will give us clear idea how the merge map operator works. So remember we have right now the form will be like value changes will be called when we move out of the control because we have set this updated on blur. So let's remove this as well and say rather than blur, I'll go back to
Cha-cha.
update on
Cha-cha-cha. Check. Change. You trying to put change there? Are you trying to say change?
let's remove this. Okay, so now as
I guess we just decided to delete it. Like, okay, let's go with that. Delete 64. Okay, fantastic. That was 64, right? Yeah, it was. Okay.
So now as we have moved on the default behavior, which is change. Let's see how it behaves. So network amount.
Wait, did we get the default? Hang on. Yeah. Okay.
Just remove this. Okay, so now as we have moved on the default behavior, which is change. Let's see how it behaves. So network amount and okay. See what's wrong here. Okay, we have not subscribed, so let's do that and let's subscribe.
Okay, 78, 76. Where we at? 76. Speaking about changes, pipe, sense, all that. Dot subscribe. Data. What are we subscribing to here?
Subscribe to this data and we'll just do console dot log data.
Is that more console.log data? Okay, fantastic. What's that? Okay.
Let's see now. Because as we discussed, I mean, of course, we need to subscribe it, otherwise nothing will be called. So let's remove this network tab and let's enter the guest name, and you can see post requests being made in.
Okay. All right, buddy. So let's see. Guest name. Yada. There's our post requests. JSON placeholder.
Parallel. So you can see it doesn't care. So now trying to understand different merge operators.
Hang on. Waterfall. Okay, waterfall's all over here. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yep. It's got a much bigger waterfall. He must have his set on mobile or something. His throttling. Does he have his throttling set on? Can't disable cache. No throttling. No, it's got no throttling on. He doesn't have disable cache listed. Okay.
So first is merge map. So in this case, merge map does not care about the sequence. So it will try to.
Let's say first is merge map. How do you see that the first is merge map? Queuing, style of request, content, duration. Well, it's using this. Okay. How are you seeing that the first is merge map?
Post the data or the sequence. So in this case, merge map does not care about the sequence. So it will try to post the data, or you can say subscribe to the stream as soon as the data is provided. Sequence does not matter. Merge map. Let's move on to the other operator. So we have merge map, which says, okay, I don't care about the sequence. As soon as I get the data or a stream is emitted, I will just go ahead and pass this stream to whoever has subscribed. Now next, which we will use switch map. Let's see how switch map.
Okay, so he was trying to. Okay, all right. Now he's trying to get to, okay, so first one up is merge map, next one up is just switch map exhaust. Okay, I see at least that last bit, how this is broken down. Okay, kind of begin to tear into that. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so where am I at? So right now we are at, yeah. Oh, we're not there. Oh, well, okay, we're gonna stop here actually. Let's put that in. We'll stop there and then come back for the other one because I need to take a break. All right, so 2 more minutes.
Whoever has subscribed. Now next, which we will use switch map. Let's see how switch map behaves.
Oh, so now we're just switching it up, merge map, and now it's just gonna be switch map like that. Is that what we're doing? Just to see what the difference is. Switch map.
Clear. Network tab.
Huh. Oh, that was trippy. Say clear. Whoa. What? What? What is that? Holy cow, wait.
Can you see something which is different? So let me just explain this behavior now. So you can see there are a lot of requests which are being cancelled.
You should go now. Right.
What is happening here? So in case of this switch map will wait. Sorry, switch map will cancel any existing request if it receives a new data. So let's say if you care about that, whoever has subscribed to your stream should get the latest data only, and should previous data or previous stream which is raised should be cancelled. Switch map operator is the way to go. Now let's talk about the last one.
Okay, that's... I hear what you're saying, but it's still not super clear. It doesn't click.
Which is exhaust map.
Hang on. Exhaust map. Alright. Okay, exhaust map. Yeah, it doesn't cancel out. I don't see anything here going red. Oops, excuse me. Okay. So, what's he gonna say about this?
Let's enter. You can see I entered multiple characters. Exhaust map cares about the sequence. So it says, until and unless the previous request is not completed, I will not subscribe to any latest changes. So it takes its time to complete the previous one. So you can see it has, so here you will see the data. Let's talk about request header, response. And right, so you have your data available here. So it says, okay, until unless the previous request is not completed, I'm not going to call anything else. So this API is I think it was never called, but you can see here. So this API started here. It says 204. Okay, so these are two APIs which are called. You can see the first API request, and you will be able to see the values: request header, response header, payload, where you have all the data. So we entered the guest name, and then it waited until this request was completed to make the second request. So you can see the rest of the values actually went into second request. So in case you care that okay, the previous request which you made should be completed before I can make a new request, this exhaust map is your operator which you are looking at. So we discussed about 3 map operators which are really useful. As I said, you don't have to use all the operators, like more than 100 operators which exist. You have to remember list 10 operators which we have already used in this particular in this particular course. And if you use all these operators, if you master all these operators, it's more than enough. And once you move or once you get more scenarios, you can actually explore more operators, but you don't have to start like learning 100 operators on day 1. Now we will talk about how to write custom validation for reactive forms. So we will
Okay. So here's where we go. Okay, still sequence management, exhaust map. I'm gonna pause here because I need to go take a break and go look at like the sun, like for real. I will be back and we will finish this up for this section, this next section here. Custom validator. In about 30 minutes to an hour, somewhere between that. Yeah, so until next time, kitty cats, Uncle Fonzo will return with more of our Angular review while I go look at the bright burning object in the sky here. Okay.